children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So kids, today we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 5, knowing your body. So I hope you people have completed all your classwork as well as read it till lesson number 4. Let us begin with a new lesson, that is knowing your body, lesson number 5 for class 1. So all the first class student, take out your reader and take out page number 100. Okay, this is our new lesson and it tells us about our body. Okay, what body parts we have. So everyone, all of you, just look at your hands. You have fingers, you have eyes, you have nose, you have mouth, you have ears, right? So these all are nothing but these all are our body parts. So unless and until you people don't know that what type of body part it is and what are the uses of it is, so like it's a waste. So that's why this lesson teaches us about our body parts, and we should know that what body part is helpful to us, how it is helpful to us, right? Let us start with the reading activity. Yeah. Our body has many parts. Each part of our body has different name. So our body has many parts, and yes, सबके body parts के अलग-अलग name होते हैं. So this is our eyes, this is nose, this is called as teeth, this is called as lips, this is called as what, ears, this is called as what, hair, head, cheeks, chin, right? We have so many different names of our body parts, and few names, like see, you can see over here, names are given over here. I want all of you to go through this picture along with the body parts and learn this. Okay, this everything is present in your body, and just look into your mirror and just see कि इसको क्या कहते हैं या इसको क्या कहते हैं. Okay, तो आप लोग अपने आप को आईने में देखो और अपने आप से सीखो कि ईयर्स कहाँ पे है आपके, आईज कहाँ पे, नोज कहाँ पे है. ओके, सो एक्स्ट्रा बॉडी पार्ट्स, जो और भी कुछ बॉडी पार्ट्स है जो फर्स्ट क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स को नहीं पता होगा, सो यू कैन सी ओवर हियर इन दिस पिक्चर्स एवरी बॉडी पार्ट्स आर रिटन ओवर हियर. ओके, यस, पार्ट्स ऑफ अ बॉडी एंड देयर यूजेस. Each part of our body is important. All the parts of our body work together to keep us alive and healthy. We do many things using different parts of our body. We turn our neck and look around. We speak and eat with our mouth. We chew with our teeth. So, for every person, हर एक इंसान के लिए body part अच्छे से रहना ज़रूरी है. क्योंकि अगर उनका एक भी कोई body part अगर काम नहीं करेगा, so उनको इस दुनिया में, इस वर्ल्ड में सर्वाइव करने के लिए डिफिकल्टी होगी. दे कैन नॉट सर्वाइव नॉर्मली. लाइक ओके, आपके शरीर का सब बॉडी पार्ट्स ठीक है, बट यू कैन नॉट सी. सो आप अगर देख नहीं सकते, अगर हम देख नहीं सकते, सो व्हाट हैपेंस, वी कैन नॉट एंजॉय, वी कैन नॉट डू एनी वर्क, राइट? वी कैन नॉट फाइंड द थिंग्स वेयर द थिंग्स आर केप्ट, वी कैन नॉट वॉक प्रॉपरली. We need someone's help to just cross the road or to move from one place to another place. Okay, अगर हमारे पास आइस अच्छे से नहीं है, so not only eyes, हर चीज, अगर आपकी बॉडी की हर चीज अच्छे से है, that is very thankful to God. Okay, अगर कोई भी चीज आपकी बॉडी का वर्क नहीं करता हो, तो उससे तकलीफ बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. Is that clear, children? You have to face a problem. So all the body parts, it is necessary to keep us alive and healthy. So if you are having a good body parts, like okay, सबके पास you don't have any problem with our body parts, no disease, nothing, it means you have a healthy body. Okay, you have a healthy body parts. So each body parts has its own function. Few functions, like if I say eyes, what are the uses of eyes? Eyes से we can see the world. ठीक है, नॉट ओनली सीइंग. आपके पास अगर अच्छे से आइस हो, तो आपको कहीं यहाँ से कहीं दूसरी जगह भी जाना है, तो उसके लिए आपको देखना जरूरी है, और दिखता कहाँ से, आइज से. ओके, सो इफ यू वांट टू मूव फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर प्लेस, इट इज नेसेसरी फॉर अस दैट वी शुड हैव अ गुड आइज. नोज, व्हाट आर द यूजेस ऑफ नोज? वी स्मेल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इट इज अवर रेस्पिरेशन प्रोसेस गोज थ्रू द नोज. हम जो सांस लेते हैं वो नोज से होता है. अगर हमारे पास नोज ही ना हो, सो हम लोग ब्रीथ नहीं कर सकते, राइट? और अगर ब्रीथ नहीं करेंगे, सो वी कैन नॉट सर्वाइव. We cannot live in this world. So it is compulsory that we should breathe. And how do we breathe? We breathe with the help of our nose. Next is our neck. Okay, with the help of this neck, you can turn here and there, right? Wherever you want to see, you can look everywhere. Why? Because you have a neck. And with the help of neck, आप चाहे right में देखो, आप चाहे left में देखो, easily you can see. Then we speak and eat with our mouth. Now I am speaking. I am able to teach you this lesson. How? With the help of my mouth. I am able to speak. अगर मैं नहीं बोल सकती थी तो डेफिनेटली मैं आपको ये लेसन एक्सप्लेनेशन नहीं कर सकती थी. I cannot do, I cannot work, okay, in a school. Now I can work because I'm able to speak. I have a voice, and with the help of this voice I can explain you the things, right? So मेरा बोलना भी important है सबका. तो सबके लिए बोलना भी important है. अगर unless and until वो नहीं बोल सकता, सामने वाला उस चीज को नहीं समझ सकता, right? Then again, if you want to eat also, क्या आप लोग eyes से खाना खाते हो, ears से खाना खाते हो? No. We eat with the help of our mouth. So आपके पास माउथ होना भी जरूरी है क्योंकि आप खाना खा सकते हैं. अगर माउथ नहीं है आप खाना नहीं खा सकते, और खाना नहीं खाएंगे तो आपकी बॉडी हेल्दी नहीं रहती. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो वी च्यू विथ आवर टीथ. जो भी खाना हम खाते हैं हम डायरेक्टली अंदर swallow तो नहीं कर लेते हैं, राइट? वी हैव टीथ टू च्यू इट. चबाने के लिए हमारे पास क्या होते हैं? टीथ. सो टीथ हेल्प अस टू च्यू. We can bend and pick up the book from the ground. Now for example of this, okay, I'm keeping down. तो क्या मैं ऐसे ही डायरेक्ट हाथ को बड़ा करके ले सकती हूँ उसको? No. I need to bend it. Okay. So I am bending and picking the book or picking the pen from the ground. Why? Because we have a type of body posture with which we can easily bend and we can take the things from the ground. We stand on our legs, we kick with our feet. Now I am standing and I'm teaching you. In the class also teachers will stand and they'll teach you, right? Why? Because we are having good legs. If I cannot stand, I cannot teach you, right? Or not only standing, अगर मेरे पास legs ना हो, I cannot walk, right? We use our legs for walking, running and cycling, in order to drive, in order to run, in order to walk, in order to move from one place to another place. I use what? I use my legs. We write with our hands. See, I'm having hands. I have written this thing on the board with the help of my hands, with the help of this pen. And ये पेन अपने आप तो काम नहीं करेगा ना, अपने आप बोर्ड पे कुछ ना कुछ नहीं लिखेगा. I need to write it. So how I'm writing? I'm using my hands. If I want to eat something, I'm using my hands to eat. We will not eat like a dog, right? Plate में रख दो and we cannot eat like that. We use our hands to eat. We lift, hold and pull our arms and hands. So this is our hand. Or hand में ही, you see over here, you have shoulder here, right? In the picture you have arm here, you have elbow over here and you have hands over here. Shoulder, arm, elbow, hand. So these four things helps us to put the hand up, down, right, left. Okay, so we have our arms and hands which helps us to lift, hold and pull. So you can see children, whatever the body parts we are having, all these body parts are very important, right? चाहे वो eyes हो, चाहे वो nose हो, अगर किसी भी इंसान की, we should thank God that we have all the body parts which is working perfectly. Okay, the person who's like even and like कोई देख नहीं सकता या कोई चल नहीं सकता या कोई पढ़ नहीं सकता या कोई लिख नहीं सकता है, जिसके हाथ काम नहीं करते हो, वो लोगों को बहुत तकलीफ होती है. You ask them, how do they suffer, right? So every time whenever we are getting up in the morning, we should thank to God, like we are having all the body parts which is working perfectly. We can eat, we can laugh, we can move, we can play. There are many children also who doesn't have the body parts which is working properly, right? But we all of them, we are having all body parts, and all the body parts it's compulsory. क्योंकि अगर कोई भी एक बॉडी पार्ट अच्छे से काम नहीं करता हो तो लाइफ में there's something incomplete. So we have full complete body which helps us to do all the types of work. कुछ भी करो, कुछ भी देख सकते हैं आप, कुछ भी खा सकते हैं, कुछ भी पहन सकते हैं. You can walk, you can do any type of exercise with if you are having full body parts. Next is what? Sense organs. So eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are called as what? Sense organs. So you have 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. So these are our 5 sense organs. These help us to feel the world around us. So if you are having sense organs, you can feel the world. आपके पास eyes नहीं है, you cannot see the world. आपके पास क्या हो रहा, आसपास क्या हो रहा, दुनिया में क्या है, कितने ट्रीज है, कौन से एनिमल्स है, you cannot see if you are not having eyes. So ears also you cannot hear. I am explaining you. Okay, I am explaining you. If you are not having proper ear or you cannot listen properly, you cannot understand my lesson. So you are having ears, that's why you can listen it. Okay, nose helps us to breathe. Tongue, it helps us to taste, and then skin, it helps us to feel. If someone is standing beside me and he is touching me, he or she, I can immediately feel it, right? I can immediately feel it. Okay, someone has touched me. So this feeling, this type of feelings are called as, with which we can feel, are called as what? Sense organs. So we have how many? We have 5 sense organs. Look at the picture on page number 102. You can see here our eyes helps to see. We smell with our nose. Our ear hear. Our skin feels the cool air. Not only cool air, even the hot air also. गर्मी हो या सर्दी हो, आपकी skin feel करती है, right? So we touch with our fingers. We have fingers, and with the help of fingers we can touch it, and we taste with our tongue. So these were the body parts. The lesson which was related to our body parts. They have explained you about few body parts. Okay, and this is very easy. You can also, and no need to read take the textbook and read. Just stand in the mirror, in front of the mirror, and you only learn by yourself कि ये क्या है, ये eyes है, और इससे हम क्या करते हैं, देखते हैं. This is our nose, and we breathe with the help of our nose. This is our hands, and we do work with our hands, right? We don't need textbook. Just stand in front of the mirror and try to recollect that what type of body parts you have. Okay, children. So with this, we have completed our lesson number 5. I'll give you notes as soon as possible. Read the lesson because 5 lessons are completed. I hope every day if you're reading it, your reading skills also has improved, right? So read the lesson, watch my video, and complete your notes. Okay, children. Till then, goodbye and take care.